So Max is the biggest truck you can get without having a special license. My name is Magic. I'm a teacher from Poland, but I grew up in Canada. And together with Expeditionmeister, I'm working to sell my 1995 Mercedes 814 4x4. So the front of the truck has a custom bumper made with 1,800-pound electric and a snorkel and auxiliary lights. She also put new larger tires all around the car with a 19.5 rim profile. We added extra large custom aluminum gas tanks which have a combined capacity of 300 liters. The idea behind the back bumper was to make it movable, so if we're doing very uneven terrain, we can move it up or down. An outdoor kitchen area for food preparation, and a place for 3 bikes during driving. You'll find ample storage. The whole idea for Max was to be able to be self-sufficient for a week or two. So it has a 3-kilogram washing machine, 8 boxes this size fit on this rack. These are my tools, and they all fit on a rack. The cabin is fully insulated, both in the engine compartment and the walls for sound. The interior is stylized and fully redone to look like a mid-90s Mercedes G-Class. The idea of the steps exemplifies the philosophy behind building Max. Everything is meant to be very comfortable, but very simple in design and easily replaceable by anyone who knows how to weld in any country globally. The door, which is built by Complan, who built the container, is also a 3-point lock. It locks at the bottom, at the top, and in the middle. All the furniture in Max is made from Teba, which is lightweight wood that's water resistant. The brown parts are brown oak veneer, and the white parts are white laminate. The sink also doubles as a cutting board, and it's a deep sink, which allows you to put dishes away if you're in a rush. An additional 80-centimeter work area. Here, we've allotted space for extra bulky kitchen items. Same thing when you're closing all the upper cabinets, just push. And they're locked. The drawers each have a function. You have kitchen utensils, plates and cups, kitchen accessories, burners, spices, and tall items. Max also comes with a full-size European refrigerator that's built in. There's also a full-size bathroom. Composting separating toilet, which is connected to a 12-volt fan for continuous air circulation. There's a full-size shower. For a small bathroom, it has a surprisingly large amount of storage. Up top, we have a large queen-size bed where my wife, daughter, and I sleep comfortably. And like all windows, you have shade or bug screens. The heart of Max is the Victron Multiplus. And we have a dedicated charger that takes from 90 to 265 volts.
My name is Kasha. I've been traveling in Max for a year with my husband, Magic, and our daughter. And what I like the most about Max is that it does feel like a tiny apartment. What I also like about Max is that Max makes friends. It is not a camper, and it's not one of the big expedition vehicles, and it's truly one of its kind. So everywhere we go, people are always interested in it. They want to come, they want to see what it's like inside, and when they do, we can offer them a cup of coffee, and we can offer them a laundry service, which has really come in handy throughout our trip.
The idea of Max was simple. My wife and I had been traveling for about 10 years continuously. We loved luxury, but we loved being in remote places at the same time. And that was the concept, to be in luxury, to live in your house, to sleep in your bed, to have a warm shower, to have a nice cup of espresso and a cold beer in the most isolated places, in villages, and in places where those amenities may not be. That was the basis under which we started building Max. Luxury in the back and simplicity in the front.